Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Deepam Shah, dermatologist, hair transplant surgeon, founder, medical director of Viva Cosmetic Clinic. Hello everyone, so today we are going to see how actually what happens inside the clinic. So first when we enter, there's a disposable shoe cover and a cap kept along with a sanitizer. Once the patient enters the clinic, we make sure that we take a proper history. We have taken the history of any fever, cough, cold, any history of contact with COVID people. That is done prior on the phone or before booking the appointment. So once the patient enters, then she's greeted by our receptionist Mansi. Then a special declaration form is filled by the patient so that any disclaimer or any problems or anything which is there inside is being filled by the patient. We are making sure the appointment is kept at a 30 minutes distance between the patients. Once the patient has entered and has left, then every things which he touches, for example, the waiting area, the seat which he is sitting, will all be sterilized properly with sodium hypochlorite solution. We are also, all staff are properly dressed in all the PPE equipments with the gown, the face shield, the mask, the cap. The patient is entering. He'll first sanitize his hand. He makes sure that he has his mask and everything on. Once he enters the clinic, then the proper consultation is started. Once the patient is in the clinic, what we do is we try and maintain a social distance which is required during the consultation. We make sure that patient has emailed us all the forms and his prescription beforehand, so we go through that. We recommend not to go get those old prescriptions. What we'll do is we'll give a fresh prescription every time to all the patients. This decreases the chances of transmission. So we are properly dressed in our PPE gown, which is recommended by the government. Gloves, mask, shoe cover, everything is being proper. So from our end, we are taking complete precautions to be taken so that no one will ever have any problems faced by coming to our clinic. We are keeping our spaced appointments. We are keeping patients at 30 minutes interval, so there is no crowding in the clinic. We are trying and doing whatever procedures or whatever best we can do to help our patients like that. If you have any further details or any other queries which you want to know, if you have any problems, you can always consult us online also. Thank you for your time.